Why paying cash is keeping you poor. Picture this. You slide a $35,000 cashier's check across the dealership desk. You feel like a financial titan, a real adult. You beat the system, right? Wrong. That car salesman isn't smiling out of respect. He's smiling because cash buyers are the easiest marks on the lot. By sliding that check, he didn't buy freedom. You just set fire to roughly $21,000 in lost wealth. Your parents told you to always pay cash, but that rule died in 1995. Back then, car loans were 10% and savings accounts paid 0. But in 2026, the math has violently flipped. Here's the modern cheat code. Take the dealership's 0% to 3% promotional loan. Then take your $35,000 cash and drop it into an S&P 500 index fund, which historically averages around 10%. Over 5 years, the person who finances builds thousands in compound wealth. The person who pays cash makes absolutely 0. But it gets worse. You think cash gives you leverage? Dealerships don't make their real money selling metal. They make it in the finance and insurance office selling loans. The ultimate paradox is that announcing, "I'm paying cash," instantly strips away all your leverage. The dealer knows they won't make a dime on back-end financing, so they will actively charge you more for the actual car. And here's the most dangerous part of paying cash: sinking all your liquidity into a depreciating piece of metal. Imagine you drained your savings for that car. A year later, it throws a $4,200 transmission repair bill. What do? You don't have the cash anymore, so you swipe your credit card. Look at the brutal irony. You didn't avoid debt. You just traded a cheap, structured 3% car loan for toxic 22% credit card debt. This is what I call the responsible feeling tax. You are paying an enormous mathematical premium just to look good and feel financially virtuous. Actual mathematical wealth doesn't care about your ego. If you want to beat the system, use this 3-step cheat code. 1. Credit union pre-approval. 2. Negotiate sticker price. 3. Keep cash invested. Get pre-approved at a local credit union. Negotiate strictly on the sticker price of the car. And keep your hard-earned cash invested. Stop paying the responsible feeling tax and let your money work for you.